Hello everyone, I am Anita Singh and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. Today I am going to teach you social science topic of grade 5, the equatorial region. Topics which I would be covering here are brief introduction of the equatorial region. They are introduction, location, geography, climate, vegetation, animal life, people and culture, economy, occupation, transport and communication. The equatorial region falls in the torrid zone and has a hot and wet climate throughout the year. The region is found on both sides of the equator. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The continents that comes under the equatorial region are South America, Africa and Southeast Asia. The Democratic Republic of the Congo, earlier called Zaire, lies in the equatorial region. Location of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is located in Central Africa. It is the second largest country of the Africa after Algeria. The largest city, Kinshasa, is the capital, and Democratic Republic of the Congo is surrounded by 9 countries. They are Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania in the east, Republic of Congo in the west, Central African Republic, Sudan in the north, Angola and Zambia in the south. Let's know about the geography of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo has an area of around 2.345 million square kilometers. River Congo is the main physical feature of the country and covers almost the whole country. The river basin is surrounded by mountains and plateaus. It is called the Highway of Central Africa. The Rwenzori Range lies in the northeast. Mitumba Mountain Range lies in the southeast. The Shaba Plateaus lies in the south and the Angola Plateau lies in the southwest. The country is also known for its 4 lakes. They are Albert, Edward, Kivu, Tanganyika. Let's know about the climate of the Democratic Republic of Congo. It lies in the torrid zone and has a tropical climate. The region experiences rainfall throughout the year with high temperatures. Vegetation of Democratic Republic of Congo. The country is rich in vegetation. The forest area are very dense and contain a large variety of trees and plants. Evergreen forests are found here. There are grasses, shrubs, creepers, climbers and tall trees. The trees shed their leaves at different times of the year, hence these forests stay green all the year around. They are popularly known as evergreen forest. Let's know about the animal life of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo is a natural habitat for the wild varieties of animals. Here monkeys, chimpanzees, gorillas and baboons swing freely from trees to trees. Elephants, hippos, lions, giraffe, antelopes and hippopotamus are seen in the marshlands. But it is very sad that hunting has reduced the number of animals, thereby making some animals extinct. Let's know about the people and culture of this region. The region is thinly populated and people are scattered in different villages and towns. A major portion of the population lives in the villages in the Congo River basin. The original inhabitants are short stature pygmies. A large number of Congolese are Bantu Negroes. Official language of the country is French and official language of the military language is Lingala. Majority of the people practice some form of Christianity and the remaining still follow the traditional African beliefs and other religions. The Democratic Republic of Congo is the leading producer of industrial diamonds and produces about half of the world's cobalt. Mining is the chief industry of this region and this region is producer of electricity. Electricity is produced from River Congo and is also supplied to other countries. Now let's know about the farming of this region. Farming is a major occupation. Chief crops are rice, maize and cassava. Let's know about cassava. What is cassava? Cassava is a root that is dried and pounded into flour, which is used to make bread. Cash crops such as cocoa, coffee, tobacco, cotton, rubber, royal palms. Fishing is an important part of the people's diet. Here I will end up with my topic. If you like the video, kindly do like, share and subscribe our channel. Have a great day. Thank you all.